Okay, hello. I'll be giving lessons on YouTube, Facebook, and other social sites on how to make this pirate ship. Okay, my own designs. All these woodwork things are my own designs. Okay, okay. So there's a similar one which is not finished yet. It's slightly different over here, which is for a customer. Okay, as you can see, it's got a point there when this is straight there. There's a slight difference in a few variations. This is sold at also, if I make it for you, at a negotiable price. Okay, so there'll be an address link below the YouTube video on Gumtree where it will be sold. Okay, and on YouTube it will show you ways of how to actually make one for yourself, and the videos, lessons are free of charge. Okay, thank you very much, and that's there. Okay, thank you for watching, and God be with you all. Also, what this is an ornament, is for decorating the house, but it can also be used for model collectors, and of course as a toy for those the children that know about childhood, they're old enough to know about childproof things. Yeah, thank you for listening.